Okay, good morning, students. Today's part is the concentration of solution. There are different way to express the concentration of solution, like mass percent, mole fraction, molarity, molality, etc. Okay, so these are the ways to express the concentration of solution. First one is mass percent or percentage by mass or weight percent. It is expressed in weight by weight. Mass percent or weight percent, it is defined as mass percent or weight percent, it is defined as the mass of solute in gram. The mass of solute in gram dissolved in solvent to form 100 gram of solution. The mass of solute in gram dissolved in solvent to form 100 gram of solution is called mass percent. So the formula to represent mass percent is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Mass percent is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100%. Okay. First example on the basis of mass percent. A solution is prepared. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of substance A. A solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of substance A into 18 gram of water. Calculate mass percent of solute. Okay. Now, given values in this example, mass of substance A is equal to 2 gram. Mass of water means solvent, mass of water is equal to 18 grams. So therefore, what is the mass of solution? Mass of solution, it is nothing but mass of solute plus mass of solvent, that is mass of substance plus mass of water. So mass of substance is 2 and mass of water is 18. So therefore, mass of solution is equal to 20 gram. Okay. Now mass percent is equal to mass percentage is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. Mass of solute is 2 divided by mass of solution, it is 20 into 100. So 2 into 100, that is 200 divided by 20, and the mass of percent is 10%. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल. अभी आपको यहाँ पर 2 एग्जाम्पल दिए हैं, वो 2 एग्जाम्पल आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. क्या दिया है देखो, 4.6 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ अल्कोहल. 4.6 centimeter cube, that is ml, centimeter cube means ml. 4.6 centimeter cube of alcohol is dissolved in 25.2 gram of water. 25.2 gram of water, just wait. 4.6 centimeter cube of alcohol is dissolved in 25.2 gram of water. Calculate percent by mass of alcohol. Calculate percent by mass of alcohol. Density of alcohol is given. What is the density of alcohol? 0.7952 gram per centimeter cube. So वॉल्यूम इज गिवन. यहाँ पर आपको वॉल्यूम दिया है अल्कोहल का, तो मास कैसे निकालेंगे? डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. डेंसिटी ऑफ अल्कोहल इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ अल्कोहल डिवाइडेड बाय volume of alcohol. So therefore, mass of alcohol is equal to density into volume. So density, that is 0.7952 into 4.6. So mass of alcohol, it is calculated as mass of alcohol, it is equal to density of alcohol into volume of alcohol, that is 0.7952 into 4.6, that gives the mass of alcohol. Okay. And mass of solution, how would you calculate mass of solution? Mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Mass of solvent is 25.2. Okay. So this is the hint for this example. And second example is, a solution is prepared by dissolving certain amount of solute in 500 gram of water. The mass percent of solute is 2.38%. Calculate the mass of solute. Mass of solute आपको निकालना है. ओके. सो परसेंट बाय मास दिया हुआ है, मास परसेंट आपको दिया हुआ है, और मास ऑफ वाटर दिया हुआ है, तो मास ऑफ सोल्यूट आपको निकालना है. ओके. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, 34.2 gram of glucose is dissolved in 400 gram of water. Calculate mass percent of glucose. Okay, so this is the third example. Now next, concentration, that is mole fraction. Mole fraction, definition of mole fraction. Mole fraction, it is defined as, it is the ratio of number of moles of particular component of a solution. It is the ratio of number of moles of a particular component of a solution to the total number of moles of all the components of the solution. Once again, it is the ratio of number of moles of a particular component of a solution to the total number of moles of all the components of the solutions. See here, if substance A dissolved in substance B, if substance A dissolved in substance B and their number of moles are, for substance A, number of moles of substance A is Na and number of moles of substance B is Nb. Okay, if substance A dissolved in substance B and their number of moles are Na and Nb, then the mole fraction of component A and B are given as, then the mole fraction of component A and B are given as mole fraction of A. Mole fraction of A, it is equal to number of moles of A divided by number of moles of solution. Number of moles of A divided by number of moles of solution. So number of moles of A, that is Na, and number of moles of solution means Na plus Nb. Number of moles of A divided by number of moles of solution, that is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb. Now mole fraction of B. Mole fraction of B, it is equal to number of moles of B divided by number of moles of solution. So number of moles of B, that is Nb divided by number of moles of solution means Na plus Nb. So now what is the definition of mole fraction? It is the ratio of number of moles of particular component of a solution to the total number of moles of all the components of the solution. So that is Na plus Nb, that is the total number of moles of all the components. Okay, now problem number 1, on the basis of mole fraction. 23 gram of alcohol. How many grams? 23 grams of alcohol, molar mass 46 gram per mole. Mass of alcohol is 23 and molar mass is 46 gram per mole. Is dissolved in 54 gram of water. Mass of water is 54 and molar mass of water is 18. 23 gram of alcohol, molar mass 46 gram per mole, is dissolved in 54 gram of water. Calculate mole fraction of alcohol and water in the solution. Calculate mole fraction of alcohol and water in solution. So given values in this example, mass of alcohol is 23 gram, molar mass of alcohol is 46 gram per mole, mass of water is 54 gram and molar mass of water is 18, 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen, oxygen 16 plus 2 hydrogen 2, 16 plus 2 18, molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole. So moles of alcohol, that is N alcohol, moles of alcohol, it is N alcohol, it is equal to mass of alcohol, number of moles can be calculated as mass upon molar mass. इसके पहले लेसन में हमने देखा है नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड एज मास अपॉन मोलर मास. सो मोल्स ऑफ अल्कोहल एन अल्कोहल इट इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ अल्कोहल डिवाइडेड बाय मोलर मास. मास ऑफ अल्कोहल is 23, molar mass is 46, that is equal to 0.5 moles. N alcohol is equal to 0.5 moles. Moles of water means N water is equal to moles of water is equal to N water, that is equal to mass of water divided by molar mass. Mass of water is 54 and molar mass is 18. So 18 3s are 54. So number of moles of water is 3 moles. Okay. Now mole fraction of alcohol. Mole fraction of alcohol, it is equal to number of moles of alcohol divided by number of moles of solution, that is N alcohol plus N water. So number of moles of alcohol is 0.5. number of moles of alcohol is 0.5 divided by 0.5 plus 3. Okay, so that is 0.5 divided by 3.5, that gives 1/7. and डायरेक्ट कैलकुलेशन, सिंपल कैलकुलेशन होंगे तो लॉग देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, 0.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 3.5, that gives 1/7, and the final answer is mole fraction of alcohol is 0.1429. this is the mole fraction and there is no unit for mole fraction. mole fraction के लिए यूनिट नहीं होता. so mole fraction of alcohol is equal to 0.1429. okay, now mole fraction of water. Mole fraction of water is equal to moles of water divided by total moles of solution. So n water divided by n alcohol plus n water. Okay, so number of moles of water is 3 divided by 0.5 plus 3. so 3 divided by 3.5, that gives 6.6 divided by 7. so that is 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 35. so 0.7, यहाँ पर 0.7 आएगा. 0.7 नहीं बराबर है 6/7. ओके, सो क्या किया मैंने, देखो यहाँ पर 30 डिवाइड बाय 35 कर दिया है, एक पॉइंट बढ़ा दिया है. तो एक पॉइंट बढ़ाने के बाद 30 डिवाइड बाय 35, सो दैट इज 5 6 are 30 and 5 7 are 35. so 6/7, that gives 0.8570. so mole fraction of water is equal to मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ वाटर इट इज इक्वल टू 0.8570. और इन दोनों के एडिशन करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, देखो मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल एंड मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ वाटर, दैट गिव्स 1 बिकॉज ऑफ द मोल फ्रैक्शंस ऑफ ऑल द कंपोनेंट्स प्रेजेंट इन द सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू 1. दोनों के एडिशन करके देखो, मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल एंड मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ वाटर, दोनों की एडिशन 1 आनी चाहिए. इसका मतलब आपका आंसर बराबर है. ओके, सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मोल फ्रैक्शन. मोल फ्रैक्शन के 2 प्रॉब्लम आपको दिए है वो देखो, लेकिन सेकंड प्रॉब्लम आप मोलैलिटी होने के बाद सॉल्व करना है आपको. मोलैलिटी क्या है, देखो ये सेकंड प्रॉब्लम कौन छुड़ाता है मैं देख रहा हूँ. किसी को नहीं आएगा, देखते हैं आप ट्राई तो करो. पहला क्या है, 10 ग्राम ऑफ NaOH, मोलार मास 40 ग्राम पर मोल, dissolved in 27 gram of water. 10 gram of NaOH, molar mass 40 gram per mole, dissolved in 27 gram of water, molar mass 18 gram per mole. Calculate mole fraction of NaOH and water in solution. Okay, this is first example. But second example is very very difficult. कोणाला येणार नाही सोडवता. बघूया कोण किती जण सोडवत आहेत, कितने लोग छुड़ाते हैं देखते हैं. मैं देखता हूँ क्योंकि इट डिपेंड्स ऑन मोलैलिटी. बिकॉज ऑफ इट डिपेंड्स ऑन मोलैलिटी. मोलैलिटी अगला पॉइंट है. कैलकुलेट द मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सोल्यूट इन इट्स, calculate the mole fraction of solute in its 2 molar aqueous solution. Calculate mole fraction of solute in its 2 molar aqueous solution. जो हा प्रॉब्लेम सोडवेल तो खरंच ग्रेट असेल असं मी समजेन. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन मोलैलिटी. देखते कितने लोग छुड़ाते ये प्रॉब्लम. सेकंड थर्ड प्रॉब्लम. सो नाउ मोलैरिटी. It is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. It is known as molarity, and it is indicated by capital M. Molarity, it is defined as the number of moles of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. It is known as molarity. Very simple definition. What is the definition of molarity? It is defined as the number of moles of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Thus, molarity M is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter, not ml. Volume of solution in liter, it is expressed in mole per liter. Okay. Problem number 1 on the basis of molarity. 4 gram of NaOH dissolved in enough water. 4 gram of NaOH dissolved in enough water to form 250 ml of solution. Calculate molarity of NaOH solution. 4 gram of NaOH dissolved in enough water to form 250 ml of solution. Calculate molarity of NaOH solution. Given क्या दिया है देखो इस प्रॉब्लम में. NaOH, मास ऑफ NaOH कितना दिया है, 4 ग्राम. mass of NaOH, it is given 4 gram. Molar mass of NaOH, that is 40 gram per mole. Molar mass of NaOH, it is 40 gram per mole. Now, volume of solution, it is given in ml, 250 ml, but we have volume of solution in liter, so therefore 250 ml, 250 ml को 1000 से डिवाइड करो, कितना आएगा 0.250 लीटर में. ml का लीटर में कन्वर्जन करते वक्त 1000 से डिवाइड करना पड़ता है. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू 250 ml, दैट गिव्स 0.250 लीटर बाय डिवाइडिंग 250 by 1000. Okay, so therefore now moles of NaOH, moles कैसे निकालते हैं, mass upon molar mass. Moles of NaOH, mass of NaOH divided by molar mass of NaOH. Mass of NaOH is 4 and molar mass of NaOH is 40. Okay, so therefore that is moles of NaOH, it is equal to 0.1 mole. Moles of NaOH, it is equal to 0.1 mole. Okay, now molarity is equal to, molarity M is equal to moles of NaOH divided by volume of solution in liter. Moles of NaOH, it is 0.1 divided by volume of solution is 0.250. Okay, so that gives molarity, it is equal to 0.4 mole per liter. Okay, कैलकुलेशन करके देखो, लॉग देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है, 0.4 मोल पर लीटर. दिस इज द मोलैरिटी. ओके, 2 प्रॉब्लम्स आपको दिए हैं सॉल्व करने के लिए. 12 ग्राम ऑफ यूरिया डिजॉल्व इन वाटर टू फॉर्म 500 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. 12 gram of urea dissolved in water to form 500 centimeter cube of solution. Calculate molarity of urea solution. Molar mass of urea दिया हुआ है 60 ग्राम पर मोल. ओके, सो पहले नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकालो. वॉल्यूम कितना दिया है 500, तो लीटर में कितना होगा 0.5 लीटर होगा वो. ओके, नाउ सेकंड प्रॉब्लम. 10 ग्राम ऑफ ग्लूकोज, मोलार मास 180 ग्राम पर मोल, डिजॉल्व इन वाटर टू फॉर्म है वहाँ पर 10 ग्राम ऑफ ग्लूकोज, मोलार मास 180 ग्राम पर मोल, डिजॉल्व इन वाटर टू फॉर्म 5 लीटर ऑफ इट्स सॉल्यूशन. कैलकुलेट मोलैरिटी ऑफ ग्लूकोज सॉल्यूशन. सिंपल है प्रॉब्लम, ये दोनों तो सिंपल है. नाउ नेक्स्ट मोलैलिटी. मोलैरिटी और मोलैलिटी. Molarity, it is indicated by capital M, and molality, it is indicated by small m, and it is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. What is molarity? The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution, that is known as molarity, and molality, it is indicated by small m, and it is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Solvent means water. The number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. So therefore molality M, small m, it is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Mass of solvent in kilogram. Okay, some explanation are there. Molality of solution does not change with temperature. Molality, it is independent on temperature. Molality of a solution does not change with temperature because molality is independent of temperature, because molality depends on mass of solute and solvent. Molality depends on mass of solute and solvent, since mass of solute and solvent remains unaffected with temperature. Mass of solute and solvent remains unaffected with temperature, so that's why molality of solution does not change with temperature. Okay, आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसे आ सकता है 2 मार्क के लिए. एक्सप्लेन व्हाई मोलैलिटी इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ टेम्परेचर, तो ये आंसर है उसका. ओके, मोलैलिटी. नाउ एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल बेस्ड ऑन मोलैलिटी. द डेंसिटी ऑफ, दिस इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट, द डेंसिटी ऑफ 3 मोलार, मोलार कैपिटल एम है, कैपिटल एम दिया है मतलब मोलार, मोलैरिटी है वो. द डेंसिटी ऑफ 3 मोलार सोल्यूशन ऑफ NaCl इज, सोडियम क्लोराइड इज 1.25 ग्राम पर ml. कैलकुलेट मोलैलिटी ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन. मोलैरिटी दी है और आपको मोलैलिटी निकालनी है. सो वंस अगेन, द डेंसिटी ऑफ 3 मोलार solution of, molar means molality, molarity, and molal, MOLAR means molar, means molarity, and MOLAL, molal means molality. The density of 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per ml. Calculate molality of solution. Okay, given molality कितनी दी है, molarity of NaCl solution रह गया वहाँ पर. Molarity of NaCl solution is equal to 3 mole per liter. So 1 liter is equal to, per liter yeah means 1 liter. Molarity of NaCl solution is equal to 3 mole per liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Okay, so therefore molar mass of NaCl 23 plus 30, 23 is Na and 35.5 is Cl. So that gives 58.5 gram per mole. That is molar mass of NaCl. Therefore moles of NaCl number of moles of NaCl, it is equal to mass of NaCl in 1 liter. Number of moles of NaCl is equal to mass of NaCl in 1 liter divided by molar mass of NaCl. So therefore mass of NaCl in 1 liter, mass of NaCl in 1 liter is equal to number of moles of NaCl into molar mass of NaCl. So number of moles of NaCl is 3 and molar mass of NaCl is 58.5. So therefore molar mass of NaCl in 1 liter of solution, mass of NaCl in 1 liter solution, it is equal to 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, कितना आ गया 175.5 ग्राम. This is the mass of NaCl in 1 liter. Okay, now density of NaCl solution, density of NaCl solution is equal to mass of solution divided by volume of solution. Density of NaCl solution is equal to mass of solution divided by volume of solution. So therefore density is 1.25, mass of solution divided by volume of solution is 1000. So therefore mass of solution is equal to, mass of solution को 1000 को 1.25 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, दैट गिव्स मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू 1.25 into 1000, that is 1250 gram. This is mass of solution. Okay, now mass of water in solution, mass of water, mass of solution कैसे निकालते हैं, mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So therefore mass of water in solution is equal to mass of solution minus mass of NaCl, mass of solution minus mass of solute. So mass of water in solution is equal to mass of solution minus mass of NaCl. So mass of solution is 1250 and mass of solute, that is NaCl, is 175.5, and this subtraction gives mass of solvent, that is mass of water in solution, it is 1074.5 gram. Okay, and mass of water kilogram में करना है, so it is 1.0745 किलोग्राम. नाउ मोलालिटी, देखो मैंने क्या क्या किया है, कैसे निकाला है, टेक्स्ट बुक में थोड़ा अलग है, मैंने यहाँ पर सिंपल करके लिखा है. सो मोलालिटी इज इक्वल टू मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन किलोग्राम. मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट कैसे निकाले, सॉल्वेंट मीन्स वाटर, मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट कैसे निकाला है, देखो पहले मास ऑफ NaCl निकाला, उसके बाद मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन निकाला, और मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट निकालने के लिए सॉल्यूशन में से सोल्यूट का मास सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दिया है. सो देयरफॉर मोलालिटी इज इक्वल टू मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन किलोग्राम. मोलारिटी इज गिवन, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स गिवन, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितने हैं 3 मोल्स डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन किलोग्राम 1.0745. टेकिंग लॉग देखने के बाद 0.4771 माइनस 0.0315. ओके, 30 का लॉग और 10 का 5 में लॉग देखा. सो देयरफॉर इट इज़ एंटी लॉग, सब्सट्रैक्शन किया, सब्सट्रैक्शन आ गया 0.4456, और एंटी लॉग 44 का 56 में एंटी लॉग देखा 0 है इसलिए 2.0 है, 0 में एक ऐड कर दिया, एक नंबर के बाद पॉइंट दे दिया 2.790. दिस इज मोलालिटी, m इज इक्वल टू 2.790 मोल पर किलोग्राम. मोल पर किलोग्राम, इट इज़ अ यूनिट ऑफ मोलालिटी. ओके, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. और दो प्रॉब्लम मोलालिटी के दिए हैं. 11 ग्राम ऑफ यूरिया, 11 ग्राम ऑफ यूरिया मोलार मास 60 ग्राम पर मोल डिजॉल्व इन 100 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर, डिजॉल्व इन 100 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. कैलकुलेट मोलालिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. 11 ग्राम ऑफ यूरिया मोलार मास 60 ग्राम पर मोल डिजॉल्व इन 100 gram of water. Calculate molality of solution. Second one, 27 gram of sulfuric acid, molar mass 98 gram per mole. 27 gram of sulfuric acid, molar mass 98 gram per mole, dissolved in 73 gram of water to form solution. Calculate molarity and molality of solution. Calculate molarity and molality of solution. Okay, दिस इज द मोलैलिटी। 4 पॉइंट है टोटल। 9 प्रॉब्लम छुड़ाने हैं आपको। मोलैरिटी के परसेंट बाय मास, मास परसेंट के 3 हैं, मोल फ्रैक्शन के 2 है, मोलैरिटी के 2 हैं और मोलैलिटी के 2 हैं। ऐसे टोटल 9 प्रॉब्लम्स आपको छुड़ाने हैं। 2 दिन में ये 9 प्रॉब्लम छुड़ाएंगे तो भी चलेगा। पहले 4-5 छुड़ाओ, उसके बाद 4-5 छुड़ाओ, सभी एक साथ छुड़ाएंगे तो भी चलेगा। ओके, तो हम लास्ट